Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now we are on question 11. It is about vector, about plane. Okay, so we do it step by step. So A, okay, verify that A, this point is on the plane. Pi 1, so just substitution. So you can say on left hand side after the substitution. And then equals, don't say they are equals first. Okay, you need to find it out. Verify, so plus 6 half and then minus 2 1. Okay, and then you do the calculation. Maybe you can show some steps. Okay, they like step. Okay, plus 3 minus 2 equals 5. So it's right hand side. So yes, it is on. Okay, next one, another plane of pi 2. Okay, have a more complicated equation. Okay, very long equation. PQR unknown. Okay, sorry, PQK. Okay. In the case where p equals minus 6, okay, we got a 1, okay, p equals minus 6, okay. Pi 2 is perpendicular to pi 1, not perpendicular, and also a is on pi 2, so we have a 2 condition, okay. So find the value of k and the value of q. Okay, two condition, two equations solved then. So first, okay, a is on pi 2, okay, so first one, a on pi 2 substitution. Okay, substitute this to this are very complicated. So k square minus 6 2 plus 2k plus 3 half. Wow, remember it's a minus 6. Okay, p is minus 6, so 1, so it's minus 6. Minus 6 equals q. It is equation 1. And then they said that they are perpendicular, so the normal vector, dot product of the normal vector should be 0. So the two normal vector dot together should be 0. So normal vector, okay, so k square minus 6. Normal vector is 2, and then 2k plus 3. Normal vector is 6, okay, and then minus 6 minus 2, and then 2 is plus 12, and equals 0. Make sure really don't make a careless mistake. You're so very good. Wow, k square minus 6. Very good thing. Okay, so if you do one thing, okay, wow, the same k squared term. So if you do 1 minus 2, the k squared term will disappear. So you do all the thing, okay, work hard. Okay, equation 1 minus equation 2, you work hard on it, and then you will find the equation for q equals in terms of k. Okay, try to work it out. Yes, you got it. It's negative 11k minus 69 over 2. Very complicated question, but you did it. Okay, so number 3. So you have the relation of q, so we substitute back to 1, and then you can make a quadratic equation. So you substitute 3 back into 1, and then you do some complicated simplification, and you will find out a quadratic equation for k. Try to work it out. And it is very good looking one. So k square plus 6k plus 9 equals 0. Wow, so good looking, right? So you do it, and then k plus 3 all square is 0. Ta-da! So you got it, k equals negative 3, because it looks so good. So you should be confident that you did a great thing. And substitute it back to the equation 3. Okay, so q is equal negative 11. Be careful about negative sign. Okay, minus 69 over 2. Wow, very complicated again. Okay, but you can do it. 66 33, 66 over 2, so minus 69. So it's minus 3 over 2. Wow, you got it. Well, then you got 5 marks, okay? A lot of steps. You work, I'm sure you can do it, right? Make sure don't make careless mistake. See you for the next part.